Welcome to the Unlocking Innovation series. During this exploration, we're diving into a world of innovation techniques designed to fuel your imagination and unlock a universe of ideas. Whether it's business, education, or even personal development, these techniques can be used to unleash mind-blowing innovations and creativity. In this video, we'll kick off our journey with the first concept: thinking inside the box. We're about to flip your usual thinking patterns upside down, all while working with what you've got. Let's get into it. Innovation is all about bringing in fresh ideas, methods, or products to solve problems with creative solutions. It thrives on pushing boundaries, disrupting conventions, and introducing new elements that redefine the way we perceive and interact with the world. Innovation excels with challenges and constraints, so instead of thinking way outside the box, you're working inside of it, embracing the limitations as a catalyst for creativity. We'll call this box the closed world. In this world, you are using only the things that are available to you. You can take your ideas to the next level by getting creative with the resources you already have. Another concept that can help us break free from our routine way of thinking and unleash our creative potential is fixedness. Fixedness refers to our typical way of seeing things. It's having a specific idea of what something is, and it's hard to imagine it being anything else. Think about how we consistently view an object, like a table, as just that, a table. This narrow mindset can hinder us from exploring different possibilities and significantly reduce our potential for innovation and problem solving. However, understanding and overcoming fixedness can be instrumental in developing creativity. There are two notable forms of fixedness worth discussing: functional fixedness and structural fixedness. 1. Functional fixedness involves perceiving an object only for its conventional purpose or typical use. An example would be always seeing a table as just a surface to put objects on. Structural fixedness is a bit different. It's when you only see an object like a table as a whole instead of recognizing the individual parts that make up the table. Our brains naturally spot patterns and organization to help us make sense of things, yet this tendency can inhibit us from unlocking our inner genius. So here's the fun part. We're going to use what we've learned to break these fixed patterns. We'll start with something familiar: a chair. What's a chair's main job? You got it. It provides a place to sit. That's its purpose. This is fixedness. Picture yourself within the closed world, and all you've got is this chair at your disposal. Now here's the challenge. Use what's around you to break those fixed patterns, to solve a problem and unleash innovation. So, how do we break the chains of functional fixedness? We imagine this chair being used as something totally new. Ask yourself, what else could this chair function as? For example, it can be used as a plant stand or a clothing rack to hang your clothes on. Now, let's break structural fixedness. Take your chair apart and imagine it in pieces. Take a moment and ask, what is the purpose of these separate parts? How can they be used in a different way to create a fresh, innovative solution? You can take the chair and repurpose it as a mini bookshelf, or use the backrest of the chair and create a headboard for your bed, or an art piece. The possibilities are endless when you combine these concepts, and that's the exciting part. Think about the issues you're tackling, whether it's a problem in business, a personal challenge, or even a social concern. There's a world of innovation waiting to be explored in all aspects of life. Now it's your turn to jump into action. I challenge you to break fixedness and embrace innovation. You've got the tools to rock that innovative mindset. Try out the exercises we discussed, have fun, and let your imagination guide you. Grab an object, anything from a magazine to a pillow. Put yourself in a closed world and work inside the box. Break it down, mix it up, and show us your innovative ideas in the comments. And that's a wrap. Thank you for joining us on this innovation journey. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next installment of Unlocking Innovation, where we will talk about methods for instant innovation using these concepts. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time, keep rocking that creative mindset.